articulate with 1,000 tongues to lift one cry. Then from north to south and east to west, we'd hear Christ be magnified. Where the whole earth echoing His eminence, His name burst from sea and sky, from rivers to the mountain tops, we'd hear Christ be magnified. All together now we sing, Christ be magnified, let His praise arise. Christ be magnified in me. Below, Christ be magnified from the altar of my life. Christ be magnified in me. When every creature finds its inmost melody, in every human heart its native cry, more than in one enraptured hymn of praise, we'll sing Christ be magnified. Oh, be lifted high. Let His praise arise. Christ be magnified in me. Oh, Christ be magnified from the altar of my life. Christ be magnified in me. Oh, be magnified. Be glorified. Praise You. I won't bow to idols. I'll stand strong and worship You. And if it puts me in the fire, I'll rejoice 'cause You're there too. I won't be formed by feelings. I hold fast to what is true. If the cross brings transformation, then I'll be crucified with You. 'Cause death is just the doorway into resurrection life. And if I join You in Your suffering, then I'll join You when You rise. And when You return in glory, all the angels and the saints, my heart will still be singing, my soul will be the same. And oh, Christ be magnified, let His praise arise. Christ be magnified in me. And oh, Christ be magnified from the altar of my life. Christ be magnified